In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy an E8 funding account inside of EA Markets. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser. Then from here, you need to find E8's official website, which is e8markets.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description for you to check out. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can see you can get a funded to trade Forex, futures, and cryptocurrency. And down here, if you want to get started and buy a funded account, you'll need to go down to purchase down here. From here, you'll have this page right here, where you can add in either sign in with Google, or you can add all of this information manually, like first name, last name, phone number, and a referral code if you have that. I'll also put a referral code for you to check out in the description below. Then you need to agree to receive marketing communication. I agree that the privacy and policy and terms, and I declare that all information that I filled up here are correct and corresponds to government issue identification. Once you've done all that, it should be looking something like this. And as you can see here, you can see Hello Mike. From here, we'll need to get the account. And to do that, you need to go over to Account Overview and then click New Account over here. Then from here, it should be looking something like this. And here you can build your account like you can with any other funding websites. You can choose your market, either Forex, futures, or crypto. You can add a step count where you can choose step 1, signature, classic, track, or track 1-on-1. You can also over here select EA Trial for a demo account. Down here you can choose the trading platform, either TraderLogger or MatchTrader. And down here you can select the balance, either 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k or 200k, 400k or 500k accounts. You can also add modifiers down here if you want to do that, by either clicking no commissions or war spread and trailing down draw and payout share. And you can also swap free account if you want to do that. Over here, you'll need to fill in your billing address. And down here, you can add a payment method, either Nuvei, which offers MasterCard, Visa, Amex, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, or Confirmo, which offers cryptocurrencies. So you need to choose one of these. And then from here, you can see you can choose between Phase 1 or EA Tracker, and you can show more information. And then down here, you can click I agree all the following terms, and you can select if you have a discount code. Then from here you can place order and then add in your credit card details, and then you have your funded account. I wish you a happy challenge and happy trading.